9:39 in the morning on Wednesday, July 24th. I'm at Hugh Ramsey Nature Park in Harlingen, Texas. Let's look at the Arroyo Colorado. It looks swollen, so you can see it has a lot of water compared to about a month ago. See my previous video? It showed when we had the Tropical Storm Alberto, when the water went up. All this was underwater. Oh, take that back. Look at the water level. It's dropped. But check out the current. It's not fast. Oh, can't see anything. I'm not sure if this is picking it up or not. There's a fish that splashed up there. It's not a fast-paced current, but it is really murky, really dirty. Looks like chocolate milk. Let's go up here. Oh. The water's cold. I'm sorry, the dew on the Johnson grass here. Wow, I regret not bringing my action camera. Oh, it's super muddy here. Gotta be careful not to slip. Look at how fast the water is flowing through here. It's even going through up there. Before it didn't do that. And then it goes and empties into the Arroyo Colorado. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna turn this off so I don't get slipped. Trying to be like an idiot video taping. What? Oh, that's cool. I didn't see that before. Let me. Water is also going down there. Before that, that wouldn't happen. Alright, so let's call this video and call it quits.